Gamers. Gamers. I'm not even. We don't even have time. We got so much math to do. And I've made it so that we can listen to just whatever music. This VOD is going to go up without music, and it's going to be really funny. It might not be that funny, but I have to do this. So I'm going to just play whatever music, and then you're kidding me. I hit this button, and then it shows all my settings for a second, but then boom. We got purple math in the bottom corner. We got, let's do this! I got my TI-84, and I've got math review test. I have to take a math exam. If I get past this, I can skip a class. And I'm so down for that. So let's knock it out. Number 1, we got a greatest common factor. I need the greatest common factor of what in the farts? Okay, that's better. 6x to the 4 minus 18x third plus 18x squared. So, easiest way that I know to do this. Where am I? What is happening? What the hell? Oh gosh. Why is it? Something funky's going on. Anyways, so 2 times 3. We'll start with this one. 2 times 3 times. It's not working. Why is this happening? I broke it. I broke everything. Oh gosh. Oh no. Ah! This has gone as poorly as possible so far. Okay. What the hell? No, it's on the wrong screen. How is this happening? No! Please, just work. I have to get this done. Hey, hit this button. It's not working. Huh? Okay, it is working. But for how much longer? 2 times 3 times x 4 times, and then 18 is 2 times 3 times 3, because 6 times 3 is 18. And then, no! What? This isn't gonna happen! I can't believe this! Oh, I'm gonna lose it! Why? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to me? Is it the cable? What the? I've never had this problem before. The pen doesn't have a... I broke it. What the hell? No! No! I've never had a stream go so wrong! We just started. Does the pen have a battery in it? No, there's no way to charge it. That's absurd. But it's got... No, it doesn't. I'm thinking of the wrong pen. Dear Lord. Okay. 2 times 3. We got x 3 times. Motherfucker. 2 times 3 times 3 times x 2 times. Okay. So, all in common, we got I can't believe this. What's the issue? Is there too much going on? I can't believe. Oh. I think I have to. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Display settings. Put that back. I think I broke it again. 2 times 3. So we got a 2. We have a 3. And we have 2 x's. So 6x squared. And then that leaves us with x squared minus 3x minus 3. Plus 3. Sorry. X squared minus 3x plus 3. Is that it? That is correct. That is correct. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. This is too much for me. Make a new layer. Get rid of that one. Let's do number 10. It's a math problem. They're all math problems. X plus 7, 2x minus 7. Okay. A canopy has corner posts that are anchored by support lines. The length of each support line is 7 feet longer than the height of the post. This is not important. This is like a side view. The support line is anchored at a distance that is 7 feet less than twice the height of the post. Determine the height of the corner post. So we use Pythagorean theorem. So that's x plus 7. I'm in the wrong spot. I can't do this. I can't do that right there. X plus 7 squared equals 2x minus 7 squared plus x squared. Okay, so we have to multiply these, and multiplying things like these, I think they're called polynomials. That's x squared. That's 7 times 7 is 49, right? Yeah. 7x. Cool. Okay. X squared plus, that'll be 14x plus 49 equals x squared because of this guy. Then we need to do 2x minus 7 times 2x minus 7. Easy. 2 times 2 is 4. That's 4x squared. Negative 7 times negative 7. That's positive 49. Cool. Easy. I love math. Negative 4x. Negative 14x. I go too fast, and then negative 14x. Okay. Yes. 14 plus 14 is 28. So, plus 4x, I think I'm on a loop. 4x minus 28x plus 49. Now, since these are the same, we could just get rid of those. Might as well just erase them. Because that's math. That's how it works. And there's x squared on both sides, so we can get rid of those. Cool. So now we are at 14x equals 4x squared minus 28x. So let's add 28x. Add 28x. Okay. Now we bust out the calculator because I don't trust myself. 14 plus 28 is 42x equals 4x squared. Now, if we divide both sides by x, 42 equals 4x. I'm sweating way too much for this. 42 divide... Huh? Cancel. What was that? 42 divided by 4 is 10.5. X is 10.5. And that's the corner post. That's the height of the corner post. X is 10.5. We got this. Okay. That one gave me so much trouble. It's the Pythagorean theorem. I know the Pythagorean theorem. Goodness. Golly gosh. That's not it. Okay. Factor by grouping. Ugh. Okay. It says factor by grouping. We have 42x to the third minus... I'm getting confused. 30x squared plus 7x minus 5. Okay. So from what I understand, this is already its own thing. 7x minus 5. So we really just got to do this part. So x squared times x. So what we need is like something like this, right? One of them has to be x squared. One of them has to be x. No. I have the answer right here. So I have to figure out what this... You multiply this one by this one. This is why Purple Math's open. I hate this. Where am I? Factor by grouping. Perfect. God. Okay. So, factoring in pairs. Gotcha. Is there anything that factors out? No. Gotcha. I split the expression into two pairs of terms, then I factor the terms separately. I see. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. Oh! Okay. Okay. So if we take out a 7x minus 5, 42 divided by 7x is... (6x squared). Right? Yes. Wham. 30x squared divided by negative 5 is 6x squared. So we divide by... 42 divided by 6. 7. Yes. Okay. 30 divided by 7? Christ! It's 6. It's 6x squared is the common factor. Huh? Why is it 6x squared? Because it's a 1. So if we take 6x squared out of this, we have 7x minus 5. Yeah! Okay, yeah! The answer is plus 1. I guess it's because there's nothing left, right? Hello? Hello? Come back to me. Come back to me. Buy now at Lego.com. That's targeted advertising. What happened? Where'd it go? Right? Pulling the minus outside of the parentheses, so I'll need to remember to flip the signs inside the parentheses. Okay, that didn't work. What if I rearrange the terms? How about if I group say the terms? You can just rearrange them? Fuck. It's over. It's over for me. Let's look at my focus music. I need to lock in. Shady Cicada. I love Shady Cicada. What an artist. Oh man. Termites eat 24/7. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm so lost. We're moving on. We're moving on. We're moving on to a new problem. Is the answer. We got a trinomial to factor. 3s squared minus 10s plus 8. Okay. So, God, I remember this one being weird. There's a weird thing about it. That's not it. Okay. So, we know the first term is 3s squared. And the only way we can really split that up is 3s and 3, not 3s, just s. Because 3s times s is 3s squared. We've got that. Now we need two terms that multiply to 10. No. Yes. What the hell? What the fuck? Three s minus 4 minus 2. Why is that? Because 2 times 4 is 8. What the? Because 2 times 3. I don't get it. I don't think I get that one. And that is stressful because I know I'm going to need to... I feel like maybe I can crack it in the moment, right? When I'm at the test, I'll be like, I got it. That makes sense. I'll brain blast. Difference of 2 squares. 81c squared minus 25. I messed up. It's on a loop. Why is it on a loop? I had it. No. Mayday by the Go team? Thank you, Little Big Planet, for introducing me to the Go team. Okay, difference of 2 squares. 9c minus 5. I think 81c squared, right? Negative 25. Negative 45. That is correct, yes. Negative 45c. It's positive 25. One of them has to be positive. That's the problem. I've got it. Okay. Because it's a negative. Because then that's negative 45c, and that's positive 45c, and they cancel each other out. And you're left with 81c minus 25. I'm getting it. I bet my mom's so proud of me. Boom. That's another one. Summary difference of 2 cubes. A cubed plus 64. 64 is 4 cubed, I think. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. Boom. Problem solved. I didn't check it. Number 5. Oh. All right. I think I get it. Because A plus 4, right? But then okay, this is where our answer will go. A plus 4, and then A plus 4 times A plus 4, boom. A squared, 16, 4A, 4A. So then we got A squared plus 8A plus 16. Boom, bam, boom. A cubed plus 8A squared plus 16A. This is not right. Plus 4A squared plus 8 times 4, 32A plus 64. I got all this gobbledygook in the middle that I don't need. So it's got to be... One of them has to be negative again. I think this is the same thing as last time. I've just realized. Okay, A times A. A squared. I'm trying to go as fast as I can because my test is at 12:20 and I have to leave, so I have to leave at 12. So I have to get, why did I open another YouTube music tab? What the hell? Don't do that. Pause. Everybody stop. We are so back. Okay. All right. Okay. So, 4 times -4, -16. 4 times A, 4A. -4A. Bip. Bop. That is incorrect. What the hell? Guys, I don't know. I have no idea. How did I figure it out before? Got all this. I don't know. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. That's fine. You know what we're going to do? We're going to move on. Use the square root property. X plus 8 squared equals 36. 36 is a square root. Right. So x plus 8 equals 6. X equals -2. That's math. That's math. Square root property. 8. Wrong. And I'll tell you why. Because when you do that, square root plus and minus. So x plus 8 actually equals -6, but it also equals +6. So when we subtract 8 from this, x equals -2. But when we subtract 8 from this, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. X equals -14. So it's both. It's technically both. I remember now. Square roots. Oh no! Oh no! They want me to do the quadratic formula. Arg, Mr. Squidward. 9x squared minus 7x minus 5 equals 0. Quadratic formula. X equals A, B, C equals -b plus or minus square root -7 squared minus 4 times 9 times -5 all over 2a, which would be 18. Huh. Huh. No, come on. Here we go. All right. So that 7. 9 times 4 times -5, -180. So 7 times 7. 40. The square root of 49 minus plus, because 2 of them, 180. 180 plus 49 is 229. So 7 plus or minus the square root of 229 over 18. We go to get the square root of 229. Not clean enough. That's the answer. Right? I remember this. Yes! I'm cracked. Okay, fantastic. This is great. I'm loving this. Equation of a circle. Okay, we have a circle with the center. Oh, sorry. -2. -2, 5. That's the center. The radius. Sorry, smaller equals 4. This might be in my notes. I've already looked it up. Hell no. What the? Formula of a circle. Listen. Wait. I don't understand. What's the answer? That's 11. Good gracious. I couldn't remember that. Oh, so we got circles. I'm so sweaty. Why am I so sweaty? I'm looking at sine, cosine, tangent. Flipping through this bad boy until I see a circle. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Here's the thing. I'm cursed. Hell yeah. That's how we roll. I'm getting it. Okay. So the standard form would be x plus 2 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 4 times 4, 16. I have to remember that. I wonder if that'll work. Oh gosh. Yeah, that's what we got. Okay, we got it. I wonder if me going is actually going to do anything. If it does, I'll come back and I'll be like, guys, that was nuts. Number 12, domain and range. It's Domain is the x values, y is the range is the y values. And then I know that this one isn't a function because there's not enough. There's only in the end like 3 y values and like 6, 5 x values. I'm doing like Donald Trump hand motions. I'm looking like at the camera and I'm like, I just realized the stream has only been like 20 minutes, 22 minutes ish. No. I started before 10. Okay, we're good. Okay, this one's good. I've got this. Okay, one more layer. Just one more layer. Please save me paint layer 8. Okay. So f of x equals x squared minus x plus 6. I need to find... I think it's f of 2 or 2 of f. How did I write 22? I need to keep my fingers under control. F of negative 7 and f of 0, I believe. So that's easy. Equals 2 squared minus 2 plus 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 2 is 2. Plus 6 is 8. Yes, negative 7. Negative 7 squared plus 7 plus 6 equals 7 plus 6 is 13. 7 times 7, negative 49. Negative 49 plus 13. I'm doing, negative 49 plus 13. Doing too much in my head. We got negative 36. F of 0. 0 plus 0 plus 6. 6, dude. Let's check it. Yo. I got something wrong. I got the middle one wrong. 7 times 7 is 49. It's positive 49. It's 49 plus 7 plus 6. 62. Lock it in. A negative times a negative is a positive. Always has been, always will be. Clear that screen. Oh, I don't want to do that one. That's what this one was. How did I do this one? Okay. So, 2w plus 9 over 4w plus 7. If I remember correctly, which I might, but I'd rather check my notes. I'm screaming. I don't need to be shouting. But I'm not next to the mic, so I can't hear myself, so I'm like, Okay. So we set the bottom equal to 0, because then we'd be dividing by 0, and that's undefined. That's what I understand. So we add 7. 4w equals 7. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. Sorry, we subtract 7, so that's a negative 7. W equals negative 7 over 4. That's the answer. That's the answer, isn't it? Which one is that? Number 15. Number 15. -7/4. Ladies and gentlemen, we got another one correct. Fuck, I don't want to do that. It's too scary. It's too scary. It's too scary. Okay. I hate this one. We're just erasing this because easy. I've got that locked in. Okay. If an object is propelled from a height of 4 feet with an initial velocity of 96 feet per second, its height h is given by the equation h equals -16t squared plus 96t plus 4. At what times will the object's height be 132 feet? And I don't remember how I did this. I just remember it kicking my ass. I factored it. I did all this stuff. I factored it and then I multiplied the. Huh? I didn't make it till like. Come on. I have to have solved it at some point. Why did I... It's math. It's math. The answer is math. 132 equals -16t squared plus 96t plus 4. I'm drawing them as capitals, but they did not, which, yikes. Let's divide each of these motherfuckers by 4. 132 divided by 4 is 33 equals -4t squared plus 96 divided by 4 is 24 plus 1, 24t. Subtract 1, subtract 1. 32 equals -4t squared plus 24t. How do I get out of this one? How am I ever gonna get out of this one? Divide by 4. 32 equals -t squared plus 6t. 8. It's 8. Sorry. Do I divide by -1? Should it... I need 2 answers is the thing. Huh? Oh my gosh. No. That's crazy. We do. Oh, good Lord. We divide the whole thing by -16. 132 divided by -16 is negative 8.25 equals t squared 96 divided by negative 16 is negative 6t plus, 4 divided by negative 16 minus 0.25. Minus 0.25. So we add this. We add 0.25 to negative 8 equals t squared minus 6t. We got there the same way. We got to the same place 2 different ways. That's sometimes how it be. What the fuck do I do now? What am I looking for? When it's... Gotcha. Okay. Then we add 8. And we turn it into 0 equals t squared minus 6t plus 8. That's a polynomial. So that's t times t. 2 times 4 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. I'm pretty sure negative 2, negative 4. Right? Let's find out. T squared 8 negative 2t negative 4t t squared minus 6t plus 8. So let's say t equals 0. So it's negative 2 and negative 4. I have to take this. Okay, that was them. They were like, you're gonna be here, right? And I was like, yeah, dog, I'll be there. Let's do this one. I'm sweating too much. Okay. Y squared minus 6y plus 8 divided by y squared plus 4y minus 12. Write the expression in the lowest terms. Let's factor them both. On the bottom, we have y plus 6, y minus 4. Okay. Negative 6 and 8 we just did. That's y minus 2, y minus 4. It's the same. Then we can cross that out. So lowest terms is y minus 2 over y plus 6. Right? I got excited. This is supposed to be 2. It's supposed to be y minus 4. but you get the picture, and that's the important part. Okay, nightmare. 1 over 3 plus 7 over y over 1 over 5 minus 9y. 9 over y. Simplify is all it says. One word. That's so threatening. We got to multiply them by each other. So 9 over 5y minus 9 over 5. That doesn't make a lick of sense, actually. Shit. Because that's not how you do it. That's not. You multiply these both by 5 and these both by y. So it's 1y over 5y minus 45 over 5y. Let's say we do the same thing on the top. Y. 3, 1y over 3y plus 24? 7 times 3 is 21. 3y. Now, I remember things getting a little fucky. I'm so moist. So, okay, I multiplied them. Gotcha. Okay. So this is y plus 21 over 3y. We know this. This is y minus 45 over 5y. Good Lord. How did I do this? How did I do that? So multiplying fractions, you just flip the bottom one upside down, and then you multiply them. That's dividing fractions. When you divide a fraction, you take the divider, and you flip it upside down, and then you just multiply them. So this is the same as this times 5y over y minus 45. 45. 45. How do you do that? 5y times y plus 21 over 3y times y minus 45. Lucky for me, last I checked, that's all they're asking for. Yes. I love Dungeon Meshi. Okay. We gotta add these. 2 over v plus 8 plus 5 over 7v. God, this gets me going. This is the same thing. Times 7v times 7v times v plus 8 times v plus 8. So that's 7v squared plus 56v over 14v plus 5v plus 40 over 7v squared plus 56v. 19, 19 plus 40 over 7v squared plus 56v. Is that the answer? It's even simpler. You don't even actually multiply them. It's just 7v times v plus 8. You don't even multiply them. It's all in your imagination. All right, gamers. Let's bring it down. Just kidding. Okay. 20 over 2x minus 10 plus 1 over x minus 5 equals 11 over 2. Oh, shit. Wait. I remember this one. This one almost got me, and then I looked at it. I went like, and then it clicked. Like, I did this whole deal, and I was like, I don't understand. It's so much simpler, though. Where did I do it? Where did I solve it? Oh, no! Oh, I have to have the paper that I solved it on, right? Oh, there's one more here. That's not it. What the fuck am I looking at? I don't understand. I remember this one. I did it, and then I was like, oh! There it is. That's right. You can just do that. I was like, what's the parliamentary procedure? Fuck you. It's just multiply it by 2. 20 over 2x minus 10 plus 2 over 2x minus 10 equals 11 over 2. 22 over 2x minus 10 equals 11 over 2. Multiply that by 2. Multiply that by 2. Why not? 44 over 4x minus 20. Nice. Equals 11. What's the answer? Because it... Oh, I'm solving it. I thought I was simplifying it. Okay, cool, easy. 44 over 4x minus 20 equals minus 44x minus 220 over 4x minus 20. No, wrong. You're crazy. I'm solving for x. Times 4x minus 20. 44 equals 44x minus 220. 20 times 11. 20 times 11, 220. God, I'm a genius. Let's add 220. Add 220. 264 equals 44x. Divide by 44. Divide by 44. 264 divided by 44 is 6 equals x. Boom, baby! 19. It's 7! What do you mean it's 7? Where did I go wrong? No! Wait! What? How? 44. 264 divided by 44 is 6. 220 plus 44 is 260. Start over. Start over. I messed up so bad. That's the same as 10 over x minus 5 plus 1 over x minus 5 equals 11 over 2. 11 over x minus 5 equals 11 over 2. X minus 5 equals 2. We add 5 to both sides. X equals 7. Math! That's math, baby! Oh my gosh! That's another one down! Okay. Alright. I hate this one. One of my least favorite problems. Okay. It's a word problem, and I'm not writing it all out. A person can copy final exams in 30 minutes using a new copying machine. Using an old copying machine, the same job takes 70 minutes. If both copying machines are used, how long will it take to copy the final exams? Solve problems involving rate of work. Rate of work is... it's not that confusing. It's not that confusing. Okay. So the new printer can do one job, which is final exams. 30 minutes. The old printer, 70 minutes. One equals 1 over 30 plus 1 over 70. I'm throwing things at the wall. I'm seeing what sticks. Common between the two, I think we just have to multiply them. So 70 over 210 plus 30 over 210, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 equals 100 over 210. 21 equals 10. That ain't how math works. But I'm on to something. Rate of work. Rate of work. Rate of work. I did my math wrong. And I'm sure some people noticed. It's just you multiply these by 7 and you multiply these by 3. Because then that's 7 over 210 plus 3 over 210, which equals 10 over 210. You divide by 10, you get 1 over 21. One job, 21 minutes. Is that how rate of work actually works? Beats me, dude. But that's the answer. It doesn't make sense to me. But that's what they tell me. That's what they tell me the answer is. We're almost done with this. I'm stoked. Factor by grouping as... I'm in too deep at this point. Seven x squared minus... Common factor between these two bad boys. Nice. That's negative 6. Negative 6y. Common between these two, 7x. Is that it? 7x minus 6y? No, it's not. We already know that's not it. So it's gotta be a... They're both negative. So I think that means it's... That's still 7x squared. I didn't really need to do that. Minus 30y. This is going to give me the same thing, isn't it? 6xy. Why the fuck did I write 12? Hold on. Back it up. Back it up. Put it in reverse, Tear. Is that the one I'm doing? Negative 6xy 35y xy. That gives me 29xy. And that's not it. God, wait, is this the same thing? That's still not it. 42 minus 5. It's 37. That's not it. What's the answer? Maybe I can work backwards. 3? Three? It's... Dial it back. Back it up. Okay. So, we know it's 7x and 1x. Oh, 32 is going to 7. What the f... What the f... Why? Why? So it's just what... You just focus on the outside, I think. Because then it's minus 5 plus 3. 3xy. Negative 35xy. 7x squared. Negative 15y. 7x squared minus 32xy minus 15y squared. I forgot the square. We got it. I understand. That's it. That's another one down. Whoa! 7. Uh-oh. 15 layers deep. A squared plus 14a plus 45. Did we already do this? We didn't do this. Oh, it's equals 0. We have to solve by factoring. So let's factor it. That's 7 and 2, right? A plus 7, A plus 2. That can't be right. It's 45, correct? 45 divided by 7. I have tan lines. I think I'm burnt. Oh no. I didn't put on enough sunscreen. God, I work outside all day. You think I'd understand this stuff? A squared 14. I did this backwards. 7a 2a. I need two things that multiply to 45 and add to 14. So that's 9 and 5. So it's 9 and 5. So 0 equals, no, A equals -9 and -5. Seven. Boom, baby! I have not used purple math. I've used it like once. Difference of cubes. So it's a difference. Okay. Same, opposite, always positive. Hold that phone. A cubed plus 64. So this is A, this is B. Same sign, opposite sign. Always positive. Soap! That's from a book. I don't remember what the... It's about this girl with a photographic memory, and she's just like, oh, hold on, let me... And she just remembers it forever. Pretty cool. So, it's A plus 4 times A yeah, okay. Same sign, opposite sign, A minus A4. This is math, not a film. 4A, always positive, A. Opposite, soap. Grab my hand. A squared minus 4A squared plus 4A plus 4A minus 8A plus 64. 16. My brain. Wilford Brimley. These cancel each other out. What the hell? What am I looking at here? A squared minus 4A squared plus 16. Wait, so it's negative 3a squared plus 16. I don't think... You don't multiply them. The soap is the solution. Tell that to an anime convention. Alright. Let's just check off that I completed that problem and then made a joke that was easy, low-hanging fruit. Okay. Factoring by grouping I still don't fully get, but I think I can work my way through it. I just keep like... I never figured that one out, did I? Huh. I have to factor this. I remember this being like I couldn't. So I need two numbers that multiply to 8 and add to 10, and that is not a thing. Because there's something else I'm supposed to do. Dun 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 dun. Running out of time. We're running out of time. Sweat doing math. God damn it. How am I working up a sweat doing math? Still over there? Shh. Hold on. I've got more notes. I'm working up a sweat doing math, but it's also hot in this room, so fuck. Huh? Wait, okay. S minus 2. Sorry, 3s. So that's 3s squared minus 8 plus 8, sorry, minus 4s three s squared minus 10s plus 8. Yes! So I just need two numbers that multiply to 8. What course is this? Fuck, dude. I don't know. It just says units 6 through 8. I think it's pre-calc? I'm pretty sure it's pre-calculus. So that's that. That's the whole thing. I still don't get factoring by grouping. It's the problem. Nothing factors out of all of them. So you split them up. I got it! Okay. 42 x3 minus 30x squared plus 7x minus 5. Split them up. Bam! Right down the middle. 6x squared comes out of both of these. 42 divided by 6 is 7. Left over x. 5. And this is already 7x minus 5. So it's just plus 1. So 6x squared plus 1 times 7x minus 5. Double check. 42x cubed minus 5 plus 7x plus 30. No, minus 30x squared. That's it. I did them all. I swung with the best. But I got more. I got more math. This is the review sheet for the next quiz. So if I can beat this, I can get through. I can skip 2 classes. I have about 45 minutes before I have to leave. Let's see if I can at least remember the ones I did. First up, simplify square root 75 x6 y5. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can take out x to the third. I can take out 5. And that leaves behind. I can take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bam. Bam. That leaves 1y. Is that correct? Is that right? Oh, and then I got a y squared. You can see how wet it is. That's nasty. My brain is... This is not good. I might have worn my brain out. We might have reached a point where I've done too much math in one day. So now when I go to take the test, I'm going to not be able to do it. So I'll need to I got this. I'll figure it out. Don't worry. Here's another one. 6 minus 10i minus 4 plus 7i. I love imaginary numbers. Not that complicated, though. Boop, boop. 6 minus 10i minus 4 minus 7i. Oh, yeah. That's correct. Don't even try, dog. Don't even test me. Oh, Jiminy. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, oh gosh, oh darn it. Three times 5, 15. Negative 4 times I. I would say it's negative 4i squared. I don't think it is. Minus 20i plus 3i. So 17i. Negative 4i squared minus 17i plus 15. That's not it. I already know. I already know that's not it. It's 19 minus 17i. What the what? How? I times I isn't I squared. It's something else. Where's my section on imaginary numbers? I don't think I'm going to get through this one. Maybe I can. What the shit? What the fuck? I don't know. I can look it up though. Multiplying and dividing. So I times I is negative 1. So 4i squared, that's actually plus 4. 20i, 3i. That's 15. So yeah, it's 19 minus 17i. Ah! Ah! Oh, 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 oh. Next one. 10x 2 over 5. I know this one. I know this one. Where is it? No! Where'd it go? Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh no. Lock in. Where am I? Radical notation? Go away. So it's 10x squared, the fifth root. Which is 100x squared. The quintuple root. Okay. So 100. That's 20 times 5, which is 4 times 5, which is 2 times 2. So there's not enough. So is that it? Is that it? Let me graph. There's three possible skibbity toilet. There's three possible answers, and that is indeed one of them, which is good enough for me. Radical notation, it means it just wants me to write it in a radical. That thing. Can I just... No, that's not... Okay. The cubed root... The square root of 343... I think it would just be negative 343 x to the 6 y to the squared to the 1/3. Where am I? Where am I? Which question is that? It's 4? Wait! No! Wait. Oh, it's the cubed root. So the -7. X squared. And that one doesn't have it, so it's y over 2/3. I kind of get it. I kind of get it. Oh, gosh. A lot of radical stuff. So cool, dude. So radical. 4x. Oh, God. Is that a cubed root? 2x squared y. -5. Okay. So we know this one is 2x squared y. That's supposed to be a y squared. Sorry. $16 is 2 times 8, which is 2 times 4, which is 2 and 2. So 2, and left behind inside is a 2x squared y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so 2x. So it's probably minus 10x 2x squared y. Cube root of 2x squared y. Whoa! So what? That's 16x. Ugh! -6x cubed root 2x squared y plus 2x squared y? So the proper way to write that would be 2x squared y minus 6x times 2x squared y. They did it the other way around. So I had it right the first time. I had it right the first time. It's an odd number. So it's -1. Okay, so we know I equals the square root of negative 1. So I squared is negative 1. I'm following. I'm following so far. So 43 divided by 2. Let's see, we got 2. We got 4. 1. We got 1 left over. So there's still an I, and it would be times negative 1, which is negative I. Lock that in. Two I over 5 minus I. Write the final answer in A plus BI. What the fuck? I don't know how I'm supposed to get there. Let's not waste time on that one. 2 over the square root of 6x. Just to divide. What the balls? Oh, wait, what the hell? 2 over the square root of 6x is the same as 2 over 1 times 1 over the square root of 6x. That's the same. That hasn't changed. So I don't know. I thought I had something for a second. I don't know, dude. Okay, no, it says I solved it. I've marked that I got it. So, obviously... Motherfucker. Am I a liar? It's x plus k. No, it's x minus h squared. x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. I just realized. Okay. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r, lowercase r squared. That is formula of a circle. And don't you forget it. Just so I remember. Paper on the ground. I never solved this shit. Oh, I did. What? You're telling me that all I have to do is multiply both sides by the square root of 6x. The roots cancel out. So it's 2 times the square root of 6x over 6x. We divide both of those by 2. So it's the square root of 6x over 3x. That's the answer. So that means, not this one. This one? I think I erased it. This other one, 2i times 5 minus I over 5 minus I times 5 minus I. Here we go. 25 negative I squared, which we know is 1 negative 5I no, I equals the square root of negative 1. So we square that, and it gets rid of that, and it's negative 1. So five times 5 times 5 is 25. negative I times negative I is just I squared. I squared, we know, is negative 1. Negative 5I, negative 5I. 25 minus 10I minus 1. And then on top, we have 10I squared minus 10I squared minus 2I squared. So plus 2. The answer is probably just 10I plus 2 over 5 minus I squared. Because that's a lot simpler. What question was this? 7? What in the fuck? Huh? I have to do just one more. At least one more. We got a bunch of graphs. I can't focus. I overdid it. Guys, I think that's it. I think that's all I got in me. I don't think I'll pass the second exam, but I'm fairly certain I'm going to pass the first one. I'm kind of stressed now. But I think I got this. In fact, I'm pretty sure I've got this. So that's it. The stream's over. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to tune in next time, which could be later tonight, I guess, probably. Yeah. Okay. Bye.